Hey everyone! Looking for a table saw that cuts faster, straighter, and more accurately every time? You're in the right place. Today, we're checking out 5 powerful and easy-to-use table saws that make any woodworking project easier and more professional. From small home projects to heavy-duty jobs, there's a perfect option for everyone. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know which one delivers the best performance and value for your money. You can check the price and full details of each product through the links in the description below. Product number 1. DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw, DWE7491RS. The DeWalt DWE7491RS is one of the most reliable table saws in its class. It comes with a 15-amp motor and a 10-inch blade that cuts through hardwood with ease. The 32.5-inch rip capacity allows you to handle wide boards, trim, and sheet materials smoothly. Its rack and pinion telescoping fence ensures precise alignment, while the rolling stand makes it simple to move and store. The onboard storage system keeps all accessories organized, including the fence, wrenches, and push stick. This saw is built for accuracy, power, and ease of use in any workshop or job site. Pros: fast, accurate fence adjustments every time. Portable stand adds stability and smooth transport. Cons: a bit heavy for one person lifting. Who it's for: ideal for contractors and professionals who need precision and portability. Final verdict: a powerful, dependable choice that combines job site durability with professional accuracy. Product number 2. Evolution 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw, R10TBLX. The Evolution R10TBLX is a smart, versatile saw that can cut wood, mild steel, aluminum, and composite materials using its high-torque 15-amp motor. It comes with a premium 10-inch TCT blade that delivers clean, consistent results. The dual rack and pinion fence allows for micro-adjustments, giving you perfect alignment on every rip. Its collapsible wheeled scissor stand makes transport effortless, even across rough surfaces, and folds compactly for storage. The outfeed support bar adds stability for larger sheets, and onboard storage keeps your tools organized. It also includes safety features like an electronic brake and anti-kickback pawls. Pros: cuts multiple materials with one powerful motor. Easy to move and store with folding stand. Cons: smaller rip capacity than top-end DeWalt models. Who it's for: great for people who need flexibility for mixed material projects. Final verdict: a durable, feature-packed table saw that gives you precision and portability in one. Product number 3. Bosch 10-inch Portable Table Saw, GTS 15-10. The Bosch GTS 15-10 brings excellent power and smooth performance to any workspace. Its 15-amp motor delivers 3,800 revolutions per minute, handling fine cuts in both hard and soft wood. The gravity-rise stand lets you set up or fold down the saw in seconds, while large wheels make it easy to move around the job site. The electronically controlled speed keeps performance steady under load, and the soft start circuitry helps prevent breaker trips. Bosch also includes a convenience brake that stops the blade in around 3 seconds. This model's open-frame design reduces weight while maintaining great durability and stability for demanding projects. Pros: fast setup with gravity-rise stand and strong motor. Soft start system improves safety and control. Cons: higher price may not suit casual users. Who it's for: perfect for contractors who need power, mobility, and professional accuracy. Final verdict: a premium, long-lasting tool that combines strength, precision, and excellent build quality. Product number 4. SKIL 10-inch Jobsite Table Saw, TS6307-00. The SKIL TS6307-00 is a great choice for anyone who values simplicity and precision. It features rack and pinion fence rails that allow fast, smooth adjustments while keeping the blade perfectly parallel. The integrated folding stand saves space and makes it easy to carry. With a 4x4 cutting capacity at 90 degrees and bevel cuts between 2 and 47 degrees, it handles most projects with ease. Its dust port elbow directs sawdust into a container, helping keep your workspace cleaner. Compact yet powerful, this table saw delivers steady performance for a wide range of woodworking tasks. Pros: lightweight design folds easily for quick storage. Accurate fence system ensures clean, straight cuts. Cons: not ideal for thick hardwood or heavy-duty jobs. Who it's for: great for hobbyists and homeowners who want power in a compact size. Final verdict: A solid, budget-friendly performer that balances power, precision, and ease of use perfectly. Product number 5. Prostormer 10-inch Table Saw with Stand. The Prostormer 10-inch Table Saw is a practical option for anyone on a budget. It's powered by a 15-amp motor that reaches up to 5,000 revolutions per minute, delivering fast, smooth cuts on most wood types. It features an adjustable blade for bevel cutting between 0 and 45 degrees and a metal 4-leg stand that provides steady support. There's also a dust collection port to keep your workspace tidy and storage compartments for wrenches and push sticks. The clear blade guard adds visibility while preventing accidental contact, making this saw a safe and user-friendly option for light woodworking jobs. Pros: affordable, simple to use, and quick to assemble. Good for basic angle and straight cuts. Cons: lacks advanced safety features of higher-end saws. Who it's for: best for beginners and DIYers seeking an affordable starter saw. Final verdict: reliable for everyday wood projects, offering solid performance at a great price. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.